Hi there, everybody. I have to hold the camera myself today, so forgive me. I want to tell you a little more about the first session of the Build a Rockstar Team series. I built a Rockstar team in Los Angeles, California. I was able to phase out of production, have all the right people in place, get paid on every closing, and then years later, I sold my business for a big six-figure amount and still got overrides for many years. Let's start with day one, build a rockstar team, going from me to we. We're going to talk about being more efficient as a solo agent, some tricks and tips. And then we're going to talk about making your first one or two hires, even part-time. Let's get the minutia off your plate. Let's get you to stop doing all that $10 or $12 an hour work. Let's get you to spend more time with buyers and sellers, making great commissions and having more balance in your life. Lastly, I would love it if you please turn your cameras on. None of us care if you haven't shaven or your hair is messy or you don't have makeup on. Nobody cares. We will all get so much more out of the class if we participate and are interactive. Okay, see you on Tuesday the 23rd.